Why Do Birds Sing? By Robert William Service. Let poets piece prismatic words. Give me the jeweled joy of birds. What ecstasy moves them to sing? Is it the lyric glee of spring? The dewy rapture of the rose? Is it the worship born in those who are of nature's self apart? The adoration of the heart? Is it the mating mood in them that makes each crystal note a gem? O mockingbird and nightingale! O mavis, lark and robin, hail! Tell me what perfect passion glows in your inspired arpeggios? A thrush is thrilling as I write its obligato of delight, and in its fervor, as in mine, one fathom tenderness divine, and pity those of earthy ear who cannot hear, who cannot hear. Let poets pattern pretty words for lovely largesse. Bless you, birds. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.